Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add websites to bookmarks in Safari browser on MacBook Air. And to do this, first let's open a web page that we want to add as a bookmark. Here we have it, it's HardReset.Info, and then we want to click on this button right here and you should be able to see add bookmark. Now you can pick whichever group you like to add it to, and in this case let's go for this one. We can add the description of it and also rename this bookmark, and let's do it like that. Click on add, and now to access this bookmark you will need to click right here to open a sidebar. Then head on to your bookmarks, there should be on the bottom right here, and now open a group that you've added this bookmark to, and you can click on it to instantly open this web page. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.